Hi, and welcome to Real Talk English and Español. I'm Chris, and I'm really glad you're here. On this channel, you'll learn English and Spanish through real conversations, the way people actually speak in everyday life. If you enjoy learning in a natural and relaxed way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of the English and Spanish lesson. I'm Sofía, and I'm really happy you're learning Spanish with me today. Take a moment to relax. You don't need to be perfect. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. Now, let's continue with some simple Spanish questions that people use every day. Simple questions. The first question is, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Means, how are you? People use this when they want to know how someone is feeling. A simple answer in English could be, I'm good, or I'm fine, thanks. Try saying the Spanish question with me. ¿Cómo estás? Good job. The next one is, ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? Means, everything okay? This is very common and very casual. People use it with friends, coworkers, or people they know. A simple answer in English could be, yes, everything is good, or yes, all good. Let's practice. ¿Todo bien? Nice. Now, the last question. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means, how's it going? This is very friendly and informal. You can use it almost anywhere. A simple answer in English could be, it's going well, or pretty good. Say it with me. ¿Qué tal? Great job. Common everyday words. Now let's move on to some common everyday words. These are small words, but you hear them all the time. The first one is sí. Sí means yes. Try saying it. Sí. Good. The next one, no. No means no. It sounds very similar to English. Let's say it together. No. Nice. Now this one. Tal vez. Tal vez means maybe. People use it when they are not sure. Try saying it. Tal vez. Good. And the last one, claro. Claro means, of course. This word can change meaning depending on your tone. If you say it happily, it sounds friendly and positive. If you say it slowly, it can sound more serious. Let's practice. Claro, very good. Friendly phrases. Now, let's finish with some friendly phrases. The first one is mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. You use this when you meet someone for the first time. Say it with me. Mucho gusto. Nice. Next, nos vemos. Nos vemos means see you later. You use this when you say goodbye in a friendly way. Let's practice. Nos vemos. Great. And the last phrase, cuídate. Cuídate means take care. It's a kind and warm way to say goodbye. Try saying it. Cuídate. Wonderful. These words and phrases are simple, but very powerful. Using them helps you sound friendly and natural in Spanish. Remember, learning a language takes time. You're doing great just by practicing.
All right. Before we wrap up, I just want to say one more thing. Sofía, you really did an amazing job today. The way you explain Spanish words so clearly and always connect them to simple English makes learning feel easy and friendly. I know our listeners really appreciate that. And to everyone listening right now, great job. You showed up, you listened, and you practiced. That already means you're making progress. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Learning a language is about trying, repeating, and enjoying the process. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and create more lessons like this for you. And make sure to come back for the next episode where we'll continue with more real, practical English and Spanish you can use in everyday life. Thanks for listening to Real Talk English and Espanol. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you next time.